These are the 7 core components of a computer. Let's understand them one by one. Motherboard. This is the main circuit board of the computer. Every other part connects to it, from the CPU to the memory to the storage. It acts like the central nervous system, passing information between components. Motherboards come in different sizes like ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX. They're packed with connectors, slots, and chips that make your computer function. Next is the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of the computer. It performs all the calculations and runs your programs. CPUs are rated by speed and by the number of cores they have. More cores mean better multitasking. Think of the CPU as the boss giving orders to every part of your PC. Now let's talk about RAM, or Random Access Memory. This is your computer's short-term memory. It's like a desk. The bigger it is, the more tasks you can handle at once. Whenever you open a game, a browser, or an app, it gets loaded into RAM. More RAM means smoother multitasking and faster performance. But remember, RAM is temporary. It clears every time you shut down the computer. Common sizes include 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, and 32 gigabytes. Next up is the storage drive, your computer's long-term memory. Think of it as a filing cabinet where all your data is stored. There are 2 main types, HDDs and SSDs. HDDs use spinning disks. They're slower but more affordable and offer high capacity. SSDs are much faster and have no moving parts. Modern systems typically use SSDs. This is where your operating system, apps, photos, and files are stored. The GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, handles everything visual. It's like a second brain, but only for graphics. It renders everything you see on the screen, from desktop icons to high-end 3D games. Some CPUs come with built-in graphics, but for gaming or video editing, you'll need a dedicated GPU. NVIDIA and AMD are the leading names in this space. Power Supply Unit. You can't run anything without power. That's where the Power Supply Unit, or PSU, comes in. It acts like the heart, pumping energy to all the components. It converts electricity from your wall outlet into usable power for your computer. PSUs come in different wattages depending on your setup. A powerful gaming PC needs a stronger PSU than a basic office machine. Always choose a high-quality PSU. It protects your entire system from power issues. Finally, we have the cooling system. Computers generate heat, especially under heavy workloads. That's where the cooling system steps in, like the air conditioning of your PC. Cooling can be as simple as fans and heat sinks, or as advanced as liquid cooling systems. The CPU and GPU each have dedicated coolers, but airflow throughout the entire case is also important. Keeping your components cool helps them last longer and perform better. Now that you know all the core components of a computer, it only makes sense to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll be covering all the external input and output components of a computer.